Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing assets, video, image, and optional audio so the edit is smooth. Open Capcut and create a new project. Import the vertical 9:16 clip first. Once imported, trim the clip to 3/7 seconds if you want a looping wallpaper, because shorter loops save space and battery. Make sure the clip's important content sits inside the safe frame. This prevents cropping on different phones. Next, import any PNG overlays or music you plan to use and place them on the timeline. Now you build motion and polish. You can keyframe, scale, and position to create subtle parallax, or use Capcut's built-in motion presets. Either gives a lively wallpaper. Place PNG overlays on the overlay track and adjust blend mode or opacity to integrate elements. Reduce opacity to 40–80% for subtlety. Add audio if your launcher supports it, but remember many live wallpapers mute audio. Once satisfied, export as MP4 at 30 FPS and high quality. Finally, you move the file to your phone and apply it. Use a live wallpaper app or the system wallpaper picker to set the exported MP4 as your live wallpaper. Follow the app's instructions to enable looping. If you see stutter or a jump at the loop point, reopen the project and export with exact duration and matching FPS to the original. This fixes timing drift. If the subject gets cropped, adjust to full 1080x1920 or reposition inside the safe zone and export again. That should resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.